Everyone knows that our country has a significant lack of unique types of architecture compared to other countries. So we looked at what kind of unique architecture there, the artistic value of the architecture, what techniques are being used, and how they were being used. Let me present the architecture and civil factors of the Marina Bay Sands Hotel. I focused on three main methods. First method is heavy lifting. Heavy lifting method is lifting a constructed structure from the ground, pushing it to the side, and installing piers. The advantage of this technique is that heavy loads can be moved up and down regardless of location, which can be widely used for structural dismantling and construction. Examples of this technique include Gimel Control Tower and Yeoju Expo Marine Large Screen. The following method is transfer truss. Transfer truss is a method for installing and connecting steel structures in the wall of two structures located in the lower part in case the building is deformed due to vertical load applied to the upper part. The advantage of this technique is the weight of the inclined building is distributed so that the curved building can be constructed. Last method to introduce is post-tension. Post-tension method is a construction method by pulling it in the direction of reaxial in advance to apply compression stress. So when the load is applied, the compressive stress cancels the tensile stress and increases the range of concrete to resist the tensile force. The order of this technique is hardwire processing, homing of fixed fittings, installation of steel wire, installation of supporting reinforcement, installation of steel wires, installation of reinforcement bars, installation of steel wires, installation of reinforcement bars at anchorage. Now I will explain the pros and cons of this technique. The advantage of this technique are the durability of concrete and its resilience, and it's easy to assemble, design large spaces, and increase the number of floors. The advantages of this technique are the possibilities of vibration and the possibility of damage to the topic. And the construction is complex and requires a high level of technology for design and construction.